There's a little girl in Skibbereen with flowing hair and ragged jeans, and floating in a vivid dream as classes go by. And every day at 3 o'clock she's out the door and down the block, and hurries to the river dock, a gleam in her eyes. And everything's fine for the day. There's nothing to get in the way of her smile, and there's never a care for tomorrow, 'cause Molly's a princess today. Oh, la 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 la. Barricades a castle wall, 47 miles tall. The river's got a waterfall, the moat is so deep. The cedar trees are canopies, a ceiling made of needle leaves. A buzzing fleet of honeybees are guarding the keep. And no one can take this away. What lives in her mind will remain there to stay. And there's never a care for tomorrow, 'cause Molly's a princess today. Oh, la 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 la. Real life can be lifeless and cold when your heart grows up and gets old. The dreams of your past never quite seem to last in a future that's so far away. But here in this place, you know, Molly is a princess today. In a little while it's dinner time. She leaves the kingdom in her mind, a bookmark in the storyline. A chapter is done. The mystery of what will be tomorrow when the clock strikes 3. There beneath the cedar trees the princess will come, and there's nothing that she couldn't do. She closes her eyes and imagines the view, and there's never a care for tomorrow, 'cause Molly's a princess today. Yeah, well, there's never a care for tomorrow, 'cause Molly's a princess today. Oh, la 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 la. If anybody wants to find me, I'll be in the last place you would look, in a place where people used to be, a land that's called reality. You'll find me there. I won't be catching up on Reddit. I won't be watching any news. I'll let the planet spin without me, 'cause everything has been without me sometime. And everyone will be alright if I'm not live by satellite. It's a beautiful day, I'm running away. Don't bother to Facebook message or call me, 'cause I'm living life in airplane mode, and everything is okay. I just wanna play, unplug for the day, and live in the moment, 'cause I'm living life in airplane mode, yeah. I'm always drowning in the static. I'd rather swim in crystal seas. My battery's been running low. I need to take it nice and slow for just a while. You won't be hearing about my weather, and you won't see my breakfast pics. Videos of kitty cats all gussied up in pretty hats. You'll have to wait. I hope it's not a tragedy. I hope you don't get mad at me. It's a beautiful unplug for the day and live in the moment. 'Cause I'm living life in airplane mode, yeah. Everything is now, everyone is everywhere, but no one seems to get up from their chairs. I'll come and sit with you, let's talk and have a drink or two. We'll open up the window for some air and hear the voices down the street of children playing on the beach. It's a beautiful day, don't take it away. I just want to play, 'cause I'm living life in airplane mode, yeah. It's a beautiful day, I'm running away. Don't bother to Facebook, message or call me, 'cause I'm living life in airplane mode and everything is okay. I just want to play, unplug for the day and live in the moment. 'Cause I'm living life in airplane mode, yeah. We're here at the start, where the words fall apart, where language is lost in the wind. The syllables sway in an ancient ballet, the meaningless sounds that we sing. Sleep, baby, sleep, baby, sleep till the feeling is gone. Sleep, baby, sleep, baby, everything's new in the dawn. The faces and sounds where the truth goes to drown in the deepest expanse of the sea. Our dreams and our hopes are concealed in codes, and no one would dare hold the key. Sleep, baby, sleep, baby, sleep till the feeling is gone. Sleep, baby, sleep, baby, everything's new